And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
You know, it's not bad today. Temperatures generally low 70s over a large part of the viewing area. And over the next couple of days, it's going to continue to warm up. We'll be well into the 70s tomorrow, even some 80s in places by Wednesday. But with our upper low still hanging out to our southeast and east over the next few days, there's going to be some residual cold air as you move up in the atmosphere. So I wouldn't be a bit surprised if there's an isolated storm or two. And the next system will bring at least some scattered showers and storms late Thursday through Thursday night, ending Friday morning, followed by a little burst of cooler weather. We call it dogwood winter. Normally it's a little turn towards colder weather, at least for a little bit when the dogwoods are at peak blossom. We're going to get into that and then dry and some 80s back to the forecast later on next week. So there's the upper low that's just been the trouble for a long time. This was out in Missouri late last week. Slowly it's wobbling eastward, and it's going to kind of wobble up towards New England with time. The main steering currents to push it away are way up north. So it's going to take a lot of time to wobble up this way, and right on the far western edge of it, there may be an isolated storm or two tomorrow and Wednesday for us. Otherwise, it'll just be warm before that system in California heads our way. That'll bring showers and storms towards the end of the week. But generally 50 to about 55 tonight. 52 Frankfort, 55 Kokomo, 51 Lafayette, about 50 at Fowler. Tomorrow, not bad again, partly cloudy. A couple isolated storms around 74 Frankfort, Burlington, 75 at Lafayette. Warmest readings in the northwest, where we will push 80 at Morocco and then likely exceed it on Wednesday, 82 there. 80 Lafayette, but cooler in the east. Highs generally mid-70s at Burlington, Kokomo, and Rushville. So tonight we're fine. Tomorrow, notice a few little isolated storms will bubble up in the heating of the day. Temps rise into the 70s. They fade away in the evening. And then Wednesday, similar thing, partly cloudy, clouds bubbling up. It's going to be warm, near 80 in places, so we'll get a couple of storms to pop here and there. Then they fade away before the next system starts to head our way by the time we get to later on Thursday. And then after that, it's dogwood winter. A little colder air comes in. Normally, we see our last 36-degree temperature around May 9th in Lafayette and May 13th at Morocco and May 10th at Monticello. We're going to be fairly close to that. Let's hope this is the last occurrence. Any rain Friday would tend to be early. Couple showers Saturday with a secondary cold front. And then 58, that is it on Sunday. And 36 by early Monday morning. We'll be in the upper 30s by Tuesday morning. Before by later next week, it's going to be in the 80s. And I looked at new data. It appears we may get through possibly the entire week with no rain. Make it a little bit by late Friday of next week. But this is good news for farmers.